good, my people? First car meet of the year. It's in Columbus, Georgia. Should have a good little turnout, man. So we'll see when we get there. Show y'all some footage. Should be some dope cars. I know a couple of groups coming, but we'll check it out, man, and see if I can get some good footage of some good cars out here, man, in Columbus, Georgia. Let's go. This is some of Chris' work. Chris, man.
This guy just picked this car up. He's a young officer and his brother both.
Yeah.
His brother had an E46 M3 that I took care of.
Yeah.
And he's got a Honda S2000.
She's friendly. It was a male pug, but I hired him as human assistant. Oh.
Well, working Chris. My God. Like old Red Thunder. Respected. And I got my boo right here. Hungry, as always.
Don't do me. One of these is yours.
Oh, okay. Yeah. One of mine.
Mom?
Yeah, it's been a while. How you been?
All right. Waiting for it to cool down, huh?
Jeez, I tell you what, it was
that out.
cold coming from up there in Fortson. Oh, I bet. It was like 26 degrees out the garage. Yeah. So I was like, oh, jeez, it's cold.
Yes, indeed. She's nice there.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
Mhm.
She's a good girl.
What year is it?
1935.
35.
Yep. Did that.
Just pull out regular and then go. Okay, but how about this? You just don't fucking fish tail out. Okay, that's enough. Now you gotta go back. You gotta go home now.
Really?
Yes.
You go home this way.
Okay, I mean,
He's like, he terrorized the city.
like, okay, but this time you can just ride by like a person with common sense, okay? Okay? Stay with
It's a wrap, my people. Man, I had a good time. I want to give a big shout out to Vince with Motors and Mouth for the car event, man. He does it every second Sunday. So if you guys in the Columbus area, you guys go check it out. Man, I had a blast, man. I got to see some dope cars, man. Mopar Mafia. I think I'm saying that right. Hope I am. But they came out, man, in a big crew. So a lot of different cars. I got to see some more Camaros. It's not too many of us, but when we come out, man, we come out. So y'all stay tuned, man. I thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys.